Angry Dave here. Today fixing this piece of shit Briggs and Stratton mower. If yours doesn't start, maybe this video will help you. If it doesn't help you, I don't give a fuck. So, enjoy. Yeah, all these piece of shit Briggs and Stratton, anything with an E, EX, anything with the 500. Yeah, it's a plastic carburetor. They fuck. Plastic carburetor. They're yeah, very prone to getting dirty. Alright, there's 3 screws you gotta take off. And lift up this stupid cover. Pop the air filter off. I don't know what size these are, but 5/16 seems to work, even though they're probably metric. Probably 8mm, if I had to fucking guess. Oh. That one doesn't work. Fantastic. It's a fucking self-tapping screw. This comes off. This arm comes off. Come on, you fucking whore. Oh, stupid bitch. Oh, and I'm leaking fucking gas everywhere. Come on. Where's the gas can? Fantastic. Okay, this is a plastic carburetor. It's on these newer style Briggs and Strattons. They're pieces of shit. First thing you're gonna need to do is take these 2 bolts out, pops this fucking bolt off, and then we'll proceed from there. Forewarned, it's full of gas. You're gonna need to pry it with a screwdriver. Pops out like that. Dump the gas out. Don't lose any of this shit. Pop this fucking pin out. Using something. I don't give a fuck. There. That's your float and your float pin. Put it to the side. It's fine. Don't touch it. You're going to see this connected to your float or in the seat where the float was hovering over. This is the needle. It's your needle valve. Shut off the fuel going to the bowl. Do the same thing. Put it to the side. Don't fucking touch it. You gotta get this stupid thing out. This is the cause of all your fucking problems. You're gonna grab it with a pair of pliers. I'd probably recommend needle nose over channel locks, but don't squeeze super hard, but you're gonna want to grab it and pull it straight out. Like that. It comes out like that. There's an O-ring. Don't worry about replacing it, it's fine. But that's what's causing the suction, keeping it in. That little port right there is normally clogged up. I'll show you how to clean it really easily. Most of you have a wire brush laying around the house like this. metal wire brush. Take it like a couple of the bristles, like that, and try to get them in the hole. And that will knock just enough to knock all the fucking dirt loose and shit. This looks stupid, but it works. Okay, there. See? Getting it all out. Same thing on the bottom. Get a can of carb cleaner. Put the straw in these ports and spray it. Make sure the fluid comes out of here. That's the main jet. Sucks up the gas and goes up into the chamber for the carburetor. That's pretty much how you clean this. And then you're just gonna want to spray out all the fucking jets and pilot jet and bullshit on here with carb clean. It's plastic. Who gives a fuck? Just spray it. Quit your bitching. I'm all out of carb clean, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back in. So as you can see, I'm retarded. You can't put it in backwards, it won't let you. So there. Just it snaps in like that. You're fucking good to go. Should be a little brass piece down there. That's your seat. Needle goes into the seat. Oh wait, hold on. Fuck. There's a little on the underside of your float. There's a little slot, and it should hold. Fuck! Damn it! Fucking hair and shit all over it, motherfucker. There. You fucking see it? Who cares? Dirty shit. Oh my god. Snap the fucking pin in. There's little fucking hands. They look like Lego people hands. There. Fuck. I'll put the bowl back on. The little thing with the fucking hex, it's off center. I think that's the fuel drain. I don't know if it matters or not, but it's closer to the side of the nipple for the fuel line. At least that's how it was on mine. These specific plastic carbs, don't worry about any of the fucking seals. They're all fine. Don't change them. Plastic carbs. Okay, wow, we can put this back on now. Put the little fucking hook thing back in. Oh, of course, I'm backwards. There's a fucking, like, Teflon O-ring thing. Just snap it in. There. It's over the top. Put the cover back on. Oh, great. There should be these little fucking pegs that got it in. And a little vacuum line for some reason. There's fucking EPA vacuum lines on a fucking push mower. Jesus. Okay, off camera, I just knocked over the fucking gas can and how the fucking gas that came out of that fucking tank. So now my garage floor is covered in flammable fluids. That's fantastic. Next, put the gas can on. Whatever. And a fucking clamp. Put the fucking clamp on. It just slides in this fucking shroud. Those little slots. Wow! We're one fucking bolt away. Put in your new air filter. Make sure you always replace it. I don't know why the fuck I threw this. Snap this stupid thing back in, because you know the mower won't fucking run without it. There, I just showed you how to do it. Now go do it. Don't fucking ask me questions. I don't fucking know the answer. Fuck you, like and subscribe. Goodbye.